Hey guys, so this is an unboxing or an unbagging technically of a fake Canada Goose down puffer jacket. And I wanted to make this video just because it's a pretty good fake and there's just really minor details about this jacket that tipped me off. So I thought I'd make a video and just show some of those things for you guys. Also, I'm selling Canada Goose coats, so if you're interested in checking any of those out, they're pre-owned and new, all authentic of course, they're on my website. And then if you're interested in more resources on Canada Goose coats about reviews, overviews, or just other authenticity information, you can check out my other videos or subscribe. Well, I got the coat on eBay and I'm sending it back for a full refund, so I'm not out any money and it should all be taken care of. So without further ado, let's check out this fake Canada Goose down puffer jacket. Hey guys, so I got another fake Canada Goose. This is the Canada Goose Albany jacket, or at least it's supposed to be. I'm going to open this up, check it out, look at the details, and I'm going to show the details in which indicate that it's a fake coat. Alright, so let's see here. So this tag looks a little off. So these look a little watered out. It might be a little hard to tell in the video, but they should look a little crisper than this does. As far as the words and the leaves, there also should be a number inside here, which indicates a TI, Thermal Experience Index rating. And then they should say something like Albany, Canada Goose, Albany sweater, jacket, wherever. Yeah. So they look a little. The color just looks a little washed out. Honestly, it's kind of not as deep as a red as it should. It looks kind of more pink. But new Canada Goose tags actually don't even look like this anymore. The new retail tags should look like this. So they should be gray, like this. And then, like as this one says, it says Faber Bomber. It has the information. So these are the ones they did. They did do the red tags. Or they released those with the jackets, and a few years ago, I believe. I don't know the exact date, but alright. So the down fill in this feels pretty good actually, or at least whatever's in here. It feels pretty puffy. I definitely wouldn't be able to tell, probably just by feeling the jacket here. Sorry, it's a little bright. Because the jacket does feel pretty puffy. And then this back tag is actually a pretty good job for a fake. It's one of the best back tags on a fake I've ever seen. So my camera's not really giving me the image I want. Here we go. So yeah, it looks pretty close. I'll show a real one. As you can see, it's pretty darn hard to tell just by these. There's nothing really. Maybe the LG down here is different, but with an untrained eye, you probably wouldn't be able to tell. Again, this is a fake one. This is a real one. So, anyways, alright, now I'll get into the shoulder patches. So the legs are a little bit too big. I know these are the smaller badges because they vary in terms of their diameter, but the smaller ones, which I'll show you, this is an authentic smaller one, but they will look a little different than the regular Canada Goose patches. But this is the fake one. I guess you can look at the leaves; they look a little bit more pitchforky, but it's really not a bad job necessarily. The leaves look, the legs look a little off too. So I'll show them side by side. So again, this one's a little more obvious for the differences, but still would be hard to tell if it was like your first Canada Goose product you've ever purchased. I've had a lot of Canada Goose coats, or I've been around them enough to know that most don't feel like this. Usually ribbed. This is sort of ribbed, but the fabric just feels a little off. It doesn't feel as firm. Here's the authentic one. They don't all have this rib pattern, but this feels definitely of higher quality than this. And then for the zippers, so the zippers on certain jackets will look exactly like this. Like for example, on the real one over here. So see, this is the real one. Now you won't notice the difference really by looking at them, but on the fake ones, they'll feel not entirely like plastic, but they'll just feel cheaper. These other ones feel more like they're made of. They have a cold. They're cold to the touch. So here's the inside tags. As you'll notice, the font is different on the authentic one. See here? It's a little bolder. This is the fake one. So this is the biggest difference, I'd say, because this fake one actually has a hologram, and I looked at the details and everything is the same about it. All the little features of the hologram are the same as this, except one thing, and that's that font. So again, the CL number that's black is bolder than the CL number, so you can see. Otherwise, the leaves, it's an identical hologram, so that's pretty tricky. This down tag looks pretty legit as well. See, this tag is in the right place, approximately, yeah. So they got the order of the tags right, which is very rare, and then all these tags look exactly like the authentic in here, as you'll see. So this one was really tricky. On the pouch itself, so this is a little redder right here, and then this content text is lower down on the bag than this one. Sorry, I'll try to put them next to each other. So, and that's again pretty minor. If you didn't have a trained eye for Canada Goose coats, you wouldn't even notice. If you don't have an authentic one next to you, it'd be especially hard. Just in case you guys are curious, this is what the jacket looks like, because I never really showed a good shot of the whole front of it. But that's been my kind of overview of and unboxing of a fake Canada Goose coat. If you guys have any questions, throw them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay warm.